Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your rocker molding on a Honda Odyssey. And we're going to start out here on the back of the rocker molding closest to the rear of the vehicle. We need to remove these two Phillips screws, and because the tire is so close to the screws it's hard to get a screwdriver in between there. So I'm just going to use the Phillips bit on a ratchet to get the screws out. And next, on the front of the rocker molding, we have these three Phillips screws that need to come out. And next, come back around to the back of the molding, and we're going to use a rubber mallet to tap on the edge here of the molding and drive it forward. And I did lay down some cardboard here to give the molding something to fall onto so we don't scratch it. And go ahead and start tapping on the molding, and it should fall right off. And these are the clips right here that hold the molding on. If you're getting a new molding, it should come with all these clips already on it. But if you're reusing the same molding, you're going to have to take these clips out. And to do that, just turn them 45 degrees and pull directly out on them. And then they just slide right back into the existing slots on the molding. And same goes for all the rest of these clips. And that's it guys. That's how you remove the rocker molding. Thanks for watching.